Hi, AT from CNC at Home. It was time to switch the stepper motor back as I had verified that everything was working great and I didn't know if it was the stepper motor, some electronic issue, or a mechanical issue with the alignment. Putting the original stepper motor back in would eliminate that as a possibility. So after getting the stepper motor back in, I made sure everything was aligned as well as I could do it, and then I got the gantry loaded back up. Now I test to see, make sure everything is moving smoothly. It works well in the Y direction, works well in the X direction. Next thing to do is get something in here and start to burn. The first test is just going to be the standard compass rose on just a piece of cardstock that I have lying around. Once I get the laser focused, it's time to do the burn. After marking the parameters for this burn onto the card, everything was looking great. The lines were straight, there was no waviness, so I was feeling good about the reassembly of the machine and the original stepper motor. Once the burn was complete, looking at all the lines, it still looked great, right back to the way it was originally. So I think everything's been solved. We do need to run some more tests before we can be sure of that. So I'm going to do another compass rose on the back of this cardstock, again writing down my parameters. This one is running at 1/10 the speed, also at a lower power, because that's where I was running into some issues. Now the burn isn't as good here, but it's still pretty darn good. The waviness is very minimal, so it's time to try and cutting a tile. Now this tile I had cut before the issue, during the issue, and here's one after the issue. I chose this tile so I would have the parameters from before the issue started. Let's take a comparison look at what this looks like to what it looked like originally. On the left was what I did before the issue, the middle was during the issue, and on the right is what I just burned. The two on the left and the right look really good, and the one in the middle, of course, looks wavy. Looks like we've solved the problem.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.